This is giving. The picture is picturing. The noodles is noodles. Hi guys, how y'all doing? So this recipe, we're going to be making fried noodles. We are using Indomie for this. So let's get to it. In a bowl, add 2 packs of Indomie noodles. To it, add boiling hot water. Cover and set aside for about 3 minutes. After this set time, separate the noodles and sieve out the water. Set this aside to rest for the next steps. In a heated pan, add butter, add 2 eggs, fry until cooked perfectly. Set aside for the next step. Using the same pan, add mixed vegetables and saute this for about 2 minutes. To the mixed veg, add olive oil. This is my preferred oil of choice. You can use any oil you prefer. To this, you add your thyme, curry, rosemary, chopped frankfurters, white pepper, ginger, garlic, some chopped onions, and stir fry for 3 minutes. Add mustard, chili flakes, and 2 Indomie sachet seasoning and stir fry for about a minute. To this, add pre-soaked noodles and stir fry generously until it's fully incorporated. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of water and we'll cover this to steam so that the flavor can infuse into the Indomie. Add our pre-fried egg, add some more onions if required, and mix. Don't this look so yummy? And it actually does smell delicious. Now it's time for us to plate. Serve this with any protein of choice. We have chosen to use fried catfish, and to this catfish we have seasoned it with a teriyaki flavor. So this is fried teriyaki catfish we're pairing our noodles with. Garnish with some sesame seeds and some spring onions. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video a bit helpful. I hope you learned something new. Give us a thumbs up, like, leave a comment, let us know how we did and how you're doing, and subscribe to our channel as well. I will see you on the next noodles recipe. Thank you and God bless.